In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make PowerPoint notes in just about 5 minutes. Creating notes in Microsoft PowerPoint can be a game changer for presentations, whether it's for schooling, professional meetings, or just organizing your ideas. PowerPoint notes can serve as personal prompts during presentations or valuable additional information for your audience when sharing your slides. Let's dive into how you can efficiently create and use notes in your PowerPoint presentations, making them more effective and engaging. The first step in this process is, of course, to open your Microsoft PowerPoint application. You can do this by clicking on the PowerPoint icon on your desktop or searching for PowerPoint in your computer's search bar. Once the application launches, you will be greeted with the opening screen, which is your gateway to creating and accessing PowerPoint presentations. The next step is to open your file from this opening screen. You can either choose a recent file listed on this initial screen or click on Open Other Presentations to browse your computer for the file you're looking for. Once you find your specific PowerPoint file, simply click on it to open it. As you prepare to add notes to your presentation, remember that notes can add depth and context to your slides, making them a critical part of your presentation strategy. After your presentation file is open, look towards the bottom of the screen. You will see a bar that says, "Click to add notes." This is where the magic of note making happens. Clicking here will expand a text box, ready for you to enter your notes. This feature is particularly useful as it allows you to jot down important points, references, or any other information that you may want to record during your presentation. The beauty of PowerPoint notes lies in their discretion. They're only visible to you when presenting in presenter view, thereby acting as your own personal cheat sheet. To add your notes, simply start typing in the text box that appeared after you clicked on Click to add notes. If you have pre-written notes, you might prefer to paste them here. This can save time and ensure accuracy, especially for detailed presentations. As you type or paste your notes, consider how they correlate with the slide content. Your notes should complement the visuals on your slides, providing a detailed narrative or explanation that enhances the overall presentation. This additional information could be statistical data, source references, or even personal anecdotes that make your presentation more engaging. While adding notes, keep in mind the pacing and flow of your presentation. The notes should be concise enough that they're easily readable during your presentation, but detailed enough to serve their purpose. It's all about striking the right balance between being succinct and informative. Also, feel free to format your notes for better readability. For instance, breaking them into bullet points or short paragraphs can make them easier to glance at during a presentation. Once you have added all your notes, it's a good practice to review them alongside your slides. This helps ensure that your notes are perfectly aligned with your presentation content and that you're fully prepared to deliver an outstanding presentation. Remember, while your audience sees the slides, only you will see these notes during the presentation, making them an invaluable tool for effectively communicating your message. In conclusion, PowerPoint notes are more than just side comments. They're an integral part of your presentation that can significantly enhance your communication and presentation efficiency. By following the steps we've outlined today, you'll be able to seamlessly integrate notes into your PowerPoint presentations. This not only aids in delivering your message more effectively, but also boosts your confidence as a presenter, knowing you have all key points and data right at your fingertips. That's all for today's tutorial on making PowerPoint notes. I hope this guide helps you make the most out of your presentations, making them more engaging and impactful. Remember, good preparation and the right tools are your allies in delivering compelling presentations. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy presenting!